I don't know what I want to major in. How's that going to look to colleges and universities in my application? Is that going to hurt my chances of getting into a great school? Am I a less competitive applicant because I'm undecided? Do I look less focused or less serious because I don't know what I want to do with the rest of my life? Whew, okay, let's pause. Let's pause. Let's take a deep breath. Let's start that again. Okay, so basically, you've heard it. I'm going to address actually the benefits of applying to college as an undecided or undeclared major. Yes, we tend to hear a lot about the cons, but I just want to take a moment to give another perspective to say, you know what, there are actually some benefits. So we're going to get into that. So before I get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Marissa, and I am a student success coach. I work with students and families to eliminate the stress from the U.S. college admissions process, and by guiding them as a writing coach and guiding them through the the entire admissions process from start to finish. So if that's something you're interested in, that's basically what we talk about in this space. So let's delve into today's topic. The benefits. Yes, there are actually benefits of applying to college as an undecided. So I just want to highlight a couple of benefits for you to consider so that if you are one of those students that isn't certain or isn't passionate about a specific career track just yet, I want to just breathe a little bit of good news into your worries and address some of the fears that you may have at this time. All right, so I would say that the first benefit, I think, of applying to colleges and universities as an undeclared or undecided major is that you have the freedom to explore a variety of interests early on. Yes, freedom and exploration in college. Absolutely. That is a key part of the college experience. And as an undecided, you get to boldly walk into college with that being one of your primary interests. So that means, okay, you have the freedom to try a foreign language that you did not take in high school. Because yes, I know we want our college credits and that's wonderful, but as somebody who's undecided, maybe there are a lot more languages that are being offered in college that your high school may not have offered, and now you have the opportunity to explore a new language and just to get a feel for it, even if you just try it for one semester and you're like, I'll pass. Still, it was an experience. It was an opportunity to engage and expand your worldview. You could also be able to explore and take other types of courses that maybe you wouldn't have necessarily focused on or would have been inclined towards if you were decided. So you could explore an environmental, justice course, for example, or that film studies course, that intro to film class that you've been hearing so much about. You have the freedom and the space to actually do so without pressure, right? Of feeling like, oh my gosh, I need to work on my core courses for my major. No, this is the opportunity, especially that first year as a freshman, to take full advantage of the ability to explore during your general studies time period. So you get to go into that unabashedly, right? That's a win. I would say the next benefit would be the opportunity to be mindfully engaged in diverse areas of studies. I will say that again. The second benefit is the opportunity to mindfully engage in a diverse area, right, of studies and coursework. Oh, what's up with my words today? So what do I mean by that? Well, students myself included, because I had a specific vision when I went to school of what I wanted to do. If a course was not part of my, my field, then maybe I would be less inclined to be engaged if it wasn't part of my general area of interest, even. And I think that's a missed opportunity. And so, with you as an undecided or undeclared, you get to go into every course being mindful, because there's that possibility that this could be a path that you'd be interested in exploring further. So, you're open. You are open in a way that benefits you, and in a way that maybe some of your peers who are already locked in and committed may not be. All right. And that's a win. And that's really what college is really supposed to be about anyway. It's to expand your vision, it's to expand your worldview, and it's to expand your scope of learning beyond what you want to do professionally. And so you get to win in that area of being mindfully present and engaged in every course opportunity. All right. And then I would say that another area that for consideration, as I think is a benefit, would be it allows for you to have a more organic way of eventually deciding on a major. The third benefit is it allows for a more organic way for you to decide on a major. All right. Well, like I mentioned in my previous reasons, it's this opportunity where you are open. It's this opportunity where you're exploring. And then finally, when you are kind of getting to that part of maybe your sophomore year of trying to decide, second semester, for example, what that will look like, then you have this array of evidence, and you've gone through this organic process of saying, I took this, I liked that. I explored this and I said pass. And then I said this and I said, I want more of that. And you discovered an interest, or it affirmed an area of interest for you. It's organic. And I would say the fourth reason is that it eliminates that anxiety that I think a lot of freshmen walk into college with, who are decided, frankly, because it's like, they tend to feel, okay, it's go time. It's go time. All those years of effort and work, now I need to be on. And you get to walk into that space, just that anxiety isn't there, or it's lowered. Because now you are in a space to explore, you're in a space to be mindful, you are in a space to just engage, and you are open to what is possible. And those are wins. Those are wins. And ultimately, it builds this life skill of you being open and you being flexible. Those are life skills. And it's a muscle that you will get to flex as somebody who comes into college as an undecided. So please don't worry too much. There are benefits. And I think when you are looking at schools, then you can focus on things like the overall experience as well as interest, because I'm sure that there are things you are interested in. It's just a matter of that pressure of feeling like you have to choose a path. And we can eliminate that fear of feeling like you have to choose by shifting your perspective and saying, okay, what am I open to exploring? What is possible? And what kind of experience am I hoping to gain in college? I talked in a previous video about your values, and I think that is also important in this conversation. You get to engage with your values, which are important to you, and you will take anywhere with you. Your values will be with you, right? They may evolve, but you will always have a set of values that you will operate in life with. And this is going to be a unique opportunity to explore. So all is not lost as you are searching and looking for schools. This can be part of your superpower. in your college application process. So take it as such. Be open to what is possible and be open to exploring and being mindful and having this organic way of actually landing somewhere with a major that you feel like, yeah, this just fits who I am at this point in my life. And this is the space that I want to explore further. All right, so that is definitely the benefit. So if you have any questions or comments, definitely feel free to leave a comment below where this video is posted. If it's on YouTube, please make sure that you like and you subscribe to this channel. And if it's on another platform, make sure you follow for more insightful content. I look forward to reading and engaging with your comments. Until the next time.